Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's see how to make a desi Bihari style mutton curry. For that, I'm going to heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. The oil is hot. Let's throw in some spices. I'm going to add 2 bay leaves, an inch of cinnamon stick, a black cardamom, 5 green cardamoms and 10 peppercorns and about 4 dry red chillies, and let's fry them till they release an aroma. Now I'm going to add 3 chopped onions and we have to saute this till they're nice and soft and translucent. The onions are translucent. I'm going to add a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, and I'm going to saute this till the raw smell goes off. Now I'm going to add an entire bulb of garlic and just saute this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add a kilo of mutton to this and sear it on a high flame for at least 4 to 5 minutes. It's time to add 3 tomatoes that I've roughly chopped. I'm just going to mix this well. Let's add the spices now. A teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, and now I'm going to saute this on a high flame for 7 to 10 minutes. I've sauteed the meat on a high flame for 10 minutes. I'm going to add a liter of water to this, some salt, just mix this well, and I'm going to cover this and cook till the mutton is done. I kept the mutton to cook for almost 40 minutes. Let's see if this is done. You can see the beautiful layer of oil that's floating on the top. You can see the meat is off the bone, and the cooking time also depends on the quality of the meat. So let's now switch off the flame and remove this in a serving bowl. Let's sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves, and our Bihari style mutton curry is ready to be served. You can serve it with chapati, bread or rice. Do try this recipe. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.